How to retrieve a license key for a TDX installation. You use the PRT to get access to the license generator. You have at a previous stage perhaps uploaded the solution to PRT. If you haven't done that, you have to add this specific solutions by using the add new solution. How to do this I have showed in another video. In this case we have now already entered a solution, and I have to look up the solution again by clicking my solutions. I'll find the specific solution I need to retrieve a license key to. In this case it is Hotel Sunshine. Click on the right hand side and the solution is popping up, showing you exactly what the solution is, under what service level it's registered. We have a serial number, it's a TDX Black Edition, it's situated on Hotel Sunshine, and Hotel Sunshine is placed on road number 1 in town. Right now it is equipped with hardware as shown on the hardware list, and you can see that there are no licenses in this solution registered under this solution. How to retrieve a license? I have to edit the solution. Click the edit button. I am now asked to upload the equipment file. The equipment file is generated by the service tool of the TDX. Please look into the manual of the TDX how to do this. I can now either drop the equipment file into this box, or I can click on the box and a window is opening up, the Explorer window is opening up, and I just simply choose the latest generated equipment file for the specific solution. Double click, the equipment file is read, and now I have access to add new hardware or add a new license if needed. Click on the add new license and you'll see a pop-up showing all the different kind of licenses available for this TDX solution. In this case I am in a need of do SNMP trapping, so I need to upload and purchase a TDX SNMP license. Click on it, say OK, accept the disclaimer, the terms and conditions, and now you see that the SNMP license is added to the list of licenses. Go up, save the solution, and now you're actually prompted again saying, okay, to what email address do you want to receive these license keys? This is very beneficial if you're in the field, so you can get it directly to the laptop or the PC or the iPad or whatever you're working on. So in this case I'll just add in my own normal email address at 3x.com and save. And now a solution is saved, and moving downwards you will now notice that the license has been created. The license key is now DF40 blah blah blah, and the unique ID is also made. These two keys or codes are the ones you are going to use in the TDX service tool to install the SNMP license. The keys has also been emailed to the email address previously typed in, and you will find that in your mailbox to be used.